Congratulations, officer. Thank you. Jonathan Cohen. Congratulations, Jonathan.
The first group of students have officially completed the new Principles of Assembly program at the Franklin County Career and Technology Center. Volvo and FCCTC partnered to offer the new course, which provides students an opportunity to gain hands-on exposure to assembly techniques in a manufacturing environment.
This was a huge deal, this partnership between Volvo Corporation and Shippensburg and the school to be able to provide the highest level of quality training we can to you with the assembly process.
The program focused on the concepts of lean manufacturing and the importance of maintaining a clean, well-organized workspace.
It just gave students another opportunity to learn different aspects of the diesel field that's out there.
For successfully finishing the 40-hour course, they were presented certificates from Volvo Construction Equipment and the Tech Center.
If I ever need a job and I got this certification, it'll be a great opportunity to go and work at Volvo. Yeah, it was helpful learning how everything is done and the sorting out and assembling everything. I thought that it'd be a pretty good program. Gives kids a good opportunity to learn the assembly lines from Volvo and be able to have a head start as maybe a job.